I honestly don't get it when people say I love animals but still eat them. Like, how can you love something and also take part in its suffering? If you truly loved animals, you wouldn't eat them, you wouldn't even think of harming them. People only love the ones that give them affection, cats, dogs, pets, because they show you love back. That's why you protect them. But cows, chicken, goats, they don't show affection the way pets do. So suddenly they become food, not beings. That's selective empathy. So please don't say you love animals when you only love the ones that make you feel loved.